Yeah, hello guys, welcome to this video. This is online to help. Very quickly today in this video, we're going to be looking at how you can send unlimited SMS with SMTP. As you all know what SMS is, and at the same time, you know what an SMTP is. So the new technology now, which is developed, is that you can use the SMTP in sending SMS, but it has to be a special SMTP. I mean, sorry. So it's not just any SMTP or any third party or random SMTP. There is a special SMTP which you can actually use in sending SMS. And in this video, we're going to be covering three countries, which is the US, the UK, and the Canada. That's the three countries we actually targeting with this our SMTP. So now I'm going to be walking you through the process. I already have the SMTP built, so which I'm not going to be showing you that in this video. And the process I'm just want to show you is to make a very demonstration of it and to make the authenticating part of it that it actually delivers to US numbers. So I already have a number which I'm going to be using in testing this video. So he's one of my clients and I'm going to be using his number and wait if he's going to get the message. So but the first thing you need is number. So how do you get number? There are different ways you can actually get your numbers. One, you can get numbers by using our extractor. If you check my previous video on this channel, you will see a software which I use in extracting number and at the same time I use it to verify number. So you can use this software to extract number and to generate and to verify the number. Then another way you can actually get this is by using by getting leads from us. We have leads of United States, UK, Canada, different country you may ever think of. We have emails, we have the phone numbers. So you can use this method at the same time. But now I'm going to be using the other method, which is me using it from my own leads, which I already have. And here comes the lead. Okay, this is US, and you can see this is actually Facebook leads, which is being collected on Facebook. We have over 10 million of leads right here. So, and you can see I've specified this. So let me be going for US. Okay, this is CEO in US. I'm going to copy this, and I'll be using Excel sheets in this form. And I'm going to be arranging these leads in my Excel. So let me just arrange these out. So good, I have this now. Here is the number which I'm going to be using. I'm just going to copy it and I'll be using my validator to actually validate these numbers. So here comes my validator, and from this space I'm going to be doing USA. I'm going to clear all thing here, paste the new one and save. Then minimize this out. My results false here, so it's empty. Good. So next thing I'll be doing is that I'll be using this command. So I want to validate. So I'll be picking carrier validator, which is one, and enter. So the file name here is USA and NUM. So it will be USA. Sorry, it's in smaller USA and NUM dot txt file and enter. Then you wait it to start filtering out. You can see this one is print. The number is print, so it starts filtering them out. So they are sprint. Okay. So you wait for them. So that's how you can actually check the carrier numbers of any US number using this software. So because we're going to be using the carrier order in sending our message, I will show you why and how we're going to be doing this. From here, if you check the results now, you should be having see the results. It was empty the first time we checked. So when we check now, you can see we now have the AT&T mobility, we have the bandwidth, we have the metro, we have the sprint, we have the T-Mobile, and we have the Verizon wireless. So for the sprint, let's check what we have so far. We've gotten this number. So now this is what you're going to be doing. You're going to be copying this number. So let's say we copy any of this, and we actually can confirm. And you open your browser and go to career validator. This we can actually check and paste this and search. and you can see it's used tmobile.net. So you copy this and you can now go back inside this and can be doing this. There is a command which you can use to paste it once, just like this. And for now, I think this one is still going. Let's keep going. So let's do with this one for now. So we copy the whole thing here and we'll be using this software, using this Gamadin software. So let me abort this and then we're going back to our recipients from here. Then I'm going to cancel the whole recipients here. This was a mail I was blasting and I'll paste this new one. And there is my client's phone which I'm going to use in confirming this. So I'm going to copy his number. Okay, I have him right here. Yeah, you can see it says same. So you can see this. This is the number I'm going to be using. And you can see this was a mail which I was sent before initially. And you can see I want to send another one to make it confirmation video now. Okay, so I'm going to be adding this mail into this box. I'll be putting it here. Okay, so once this is done, you configure your text body and the header first. On the header here, you don't need the reply to. You can remove this. And my subject line is there. This is to helper. This was my header. Okay. In testing my SMTP, you can see it is okay. And don't forget, this is the header which we're going to be using, server at tells.us. Good. Right, so then we can go to the text body. I think we don't need text body. I can just say thanks and we'll scroll down to send, and it's time to send our messages. Then scroll down and hit the button send, and it takes us here. So on getting here, what you just need to do is click the button send messages and it starts sending. Okay, so you wait for it. 4 cents, 7 cents, 8 cents, 10 cents, all has been sent. Now I'll go back to this boy and ask, let's check now, and let's see what we're going to have. And here comes the message. You can see still loading. Let's wait. You can see sending a picture, is still sending, not yet done. And can you see this now? Hello, this is to helper. Thanks. This was the message we sent. You can see server at tells us dots. Let me zoom this out for you to see clearly. You can see this today. You can see hello, this is to helper. Thanks. This was the message which we sent. Let's go back and see. Now our text body, you can see thanks, which was the last one, and the header says hello, this is to helper, and the same message was the one he got. So this just a quick demo to you, actually shows you it's working so fine. So this was how you can actually send unlimited emails, sorry, unlimited SMS using the SMTP method with our own SMTP server. And mind you, this is not an SMTP, this is not a random SMTP or any third party SMTP. It was SMTP which we created ourselves. So if you want to have this SMTP and send SMS to US, to the UK, and to the Canada, you can actually check the description below this video and reach us on all our social media. Please make sure you follow the description below this video. And if you want the course tutorial guide on how to can set up this, you can also check the description video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and see you next time.